大家好. Hi everyone. This is the second week of my HSK 3 class, and we're going through the Hanban standard course. This is chapter 9, I think. So I'm going to test myself on these new words. I've gone through them once or twice, starting with just the tone. I'm going to do it more methodically. Dānxīn, this is to be worried or worry about something.
担心
yídìng, definitely.
一定
Ban is a class.
班
zuìhòu is the last one, last thing.
最后
xiān is the first.
先
cānjiā, this is to take part in.
参加
fàng, xin, fàng. Xin, this is to rest easy, don't worry.
放心
Rest assured, relax. fàng, xin, place your heart down, let it go. yíyàng,
一样
zhōngwén, no, zhōngjiān. Yeah, I've done that a couple of times already, made that mistake. zhōngjiān, zhōngjiān,
中间
center, middle. This is yǐngxiǎng, yǐngxiǎng. Dianying the ying is shadow, and xiàng is a sound or noise.
影响
And the whole meaning is influence or effect. 比较, bi is comparison, and 较 I think is only used in this phrase really. 比较的较一个字没有意思。
比较
Now this is not le, this is liǎojiě, which is to understand fully or to know intimately. 了解
了解
zhōngwén,
中文
100% good stuff. And now test the writing only. This is fàng, xin, fàng, starts with the fàng radical. And the right side is pu. I forget the colloquial name for that. But fàng, si sheng. Xin shi this.
放心
yídìng, yídìng. Ding starts with the bǎogài, the lid radical. Then you've got the line, and then you've got the foot.
一定
zhōngwén,
中文
xiān, yeah, xiān starts with the starting of niu, and then the bottom part is zi.
先
liǎojiě, so liǎo is the same as le. Now jiē is jiao, which is a horn, but also a corner. So imagine a bull's horn, and then you've got dao, the knife radical, and then you've got this bottom part is niu.
了解
So that is the actual bull. So you take the bull by the horns and you cut it open, and when you, I think the original meaning, let me look at it in so the meaning of jie on its own is to untie or undo. So if you take something apart, the original meaning, to dismember an ox. So if you think about the way it's composed of those three parts, you've got a knife and an ox and an ox horn. And you're taking it apart. So when you take something apart, you, like I'm doing now with the character itself, you find out more about it and you understand. 比较的比是这个和这个. And notice that both strokes look very similar, like letter T, but the first one starts with the horizontal line hang this way. Then you've got Shù Ti, and the right one starts with a pier, and then Shù Zhé Gōu, I think that's what they call that, Shù Zhé Gōu, or Shù Wān Gōu. Anyway, jiao shi che. Now, for some reason, the stroke order is different with this component. You do the vertical first, and then the slightly slanted horizontal. And jiao starts with the tou, and then you've got fu.
比较
Do that one more time. Che, tou, fu.
比较
So this is not jiao ji. This is dānxīn. Dan 一个字. Right side is dan, sunrise. That's the phonetic part. Left side is tishou pang, the hand radical. And together this character on its own means to carry something on your shoulders, so to carry a burden. And xin is obviously the heart.
担心
Yíyàng. So yi and then yang is starting with the wood radical, and then yang, sheep.
一样
I forget why that's. Yang is obviously the phonetic component. Zhōngjiān zhōng, middle, jian, this is
中间
like fàng jian, the jian. Imagine a door with the light shining through, the sun shining through. This is ban or ban. Ban, yíshàng. And it's two kings with a knife in the middle.
班
zuìhòu. So zui is over r, and yo. And hou is this one.
最后最后
influence
is yíngxiǎng. Yíngxiǎng, yíng is Jiang的yíng, 是日，北京的京。And 三撇 3 撇. So the way I remember ying is, imagine that the meaning of this is shadow, and you imagine the light of the sun casting a shadow across this Beijing person, and that the three strokes on the right are the shadow. And xiàng, xiàng 是, does it start with a kou? Yeah, because it's to do with sound. And then this part I've not seen before. You've got another mouth in there. I think this right side does have a meaning. I've forgotten what it is. cānjiā. Cānjiā 是 take part. And the cān starts with private, si, then big, da. And notice the da, you've got the sort of gap in the middle where the space for something underneath. And again, 三撇. 三家, 家是加油的家. Start with power and a mouth.
参加
Li, kou. 100% get in. Okay, see you next time.